Let's check out this replica here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It was made by Fiber Fab. It's actually a 1952 MGTD replica. Of course, glass body. It is on a Volkswagen platform. So 1600cc engine in the rear. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Good looking bright work in this car. Headlight screens, as you can see. Cool look in the classic tan and brown color combination. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the body number of this car, undersides, interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. In the front will be fuel, and then there's also a battery and battery shut off up front. Now, one thing I want to mention, you can see it has the side curtains, and then it has a brown vinyl convertible top that will fold up. Previous owner of this vehicle only drove this thing on fair weather days. So as you can see, the snaps didn't continue if you were going to put on the side curtains, and the top is not completed, so it'll hook up here. He never used the top, didn't have it up. It's brown vinyl top, great shape. This car is only driven on fair weather days. As you can see, seat belts, wood dash. Basically, these switches would be headlights and fog lights over here on the right side. There's a blower fan for defrost if you needed it, and then of course wipers. So those 4 switches. There's a 4-way flasher toggle switch over on the left of the steering column. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's titled, now due to the year and when it would have been produced as far as with Fiber Fab, this is titled as a 1980 MG convertible. So we're straight in year-wise on the title, but of course the body is a replica of the 1952 MGTD. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. You can see free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear it all in the interior. Let's go ahead and start it up. Fuel pressure gauge works. Voltmeter. Notice that the tap was not. Oil pressure does. So we're neutral. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And I'm going to pause this a second. I want to open up the rear engine compartment. We'll check out that engine too. All right, and the prop rod, that stays here. Just letting you know, but only the prop rod. Just hold up that engine compartment lid. There you can get an idea what it looks like. Again, Volkswagen platform, 1600cc engine, 4-speed manual transmission. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1952 MG